A very good morning to all of you. You might know why. I'm here to teach you any speech. Then let's start. Making jewelries. First sentence. Collect seashells from beach. Wash and prepare. Prepare glue, fishing thread, the seashells, and you. Let's start. First step. Take seashells, fill the seashells with glue, keep them into a line. Then place one piece of ring on top. Then let it dry. Then tie from the edge and voila, your necklace is done. Let's learn more things again. For now, that's the speech. I hope all of you enjoyed. Thank you for this. And thank you for listening. Also, thank you for all of this. Love you.